how to solve high data consumption problem for Wi-Fi and MBs. Go on Play Store. Search IGT Network. Click. Scroll down. This one. Download. Install. Then wait. Our application is downloading. Just wait. Yes. After download successful, scroll down to comment about this application. Let me show you about application. Yes. Then go back. Our application is downloaded successfully. Before we open, let us first rate this application. Click on these stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put your idea here. Best application. Post. Done. Then open application. Wait for loading. Add personalization. Click OK. Then here click OK. Wait. Usage data access. Give permission here. Scroll down to IGT Network application. Here, then turn on this. Yes, like this. Then go back one time. Then allow. Okay, again. Then blue button, start protection. Wow. Then manage here. Wait for loading. Yes. Select all application you want to block from using internet or Wi-Fi bundles or MBs. You can select all by clicking here on select all. You can even select one by one. Only check in box for application which you don't want to use on internet. For example, today I want to use only like 3 apps only. Okay, check in box here. We have selected all, but unselected the app which I want to access on internet. Yes, after selecting all application you want to block from using internet, click on block apps. 74 apps blocked from accessing internet. Then, if you want to unblock, click on blue button. Yes. Then select all application you want to unblock that it may again access internet. Let me select YouTube. For example, let YouTube start access internet. Scroll down. Let me choose for Play Store. Let me check for it. You can even search, but for me I want to scroll down right now. Choose WhatsApp. Yes. To unblock, here we are select app to unblock that it may allow it to access. Then you can even click on unblock all, but for save data Wi-Fi, click only the application you want to access on internet. Then click here on blocks app or unblocks app. Then as you see, our application is working well. Then you can even clear cut, clean cuts here. As you see, you can even clean storage. That is the guidance of to clean storage. But this will stop this application to work. then you connect it again if you want. So we have setting icon also on left light up, left hand. You see here, this setting. This setting, click in app guidance if you want to learn more on how to use application. Visit the website about developer, share apps to your friends and family.